NVIDIA's stock just entered an impressive new category. But is this actually a good thing? I'm Kalila Enriquez Reynolds, founder and CEO of Money Media, Money Made Simple. So US-based chip manufacturer NVIDIA has seen massive growth over the last 5 years. The stock's price climbed a whopping 1,200% during that time. NVIDIA designs and programs chips that power artificial intelligence, gaming, and data centers. So with the explosion of those industries recently, it's no surprise the company, and by extension the stock, is doing so well. NVIDIA's growth has been so impressive that it now makes up about 8% of the S&P 500. That's the biggest share of any single stock in the index. The S&P 500 is made up of 500 of the largest companies in the United States. Now, this is overall very good news, especially if you were an early investor. But all the success brings up an important question. How high is NVIDIA's ceiling? Founder of WealthWatch JA Julian Morrison said investors might need to start considering stepping back from the stock. He explained that NVIDIA's stock has gone up so fast that there might not be as much room to grow. And when stocks climb too quickly, the fall can be sudden and swift.
However, it might be time to take some gains, take some money off the table, and to go in a different direction.
A drop in NVIDIA could pull down the entire S&P 500 because the company is now such a big part of it. Now, Julian was clear that he doesn't think NVIDIA is going anywhere. It's more about diversifying your portfolio so it doesn't rely too much on one stock.
The question is, do I take exposure directly by buying the stock? Or do I buy options, or do I blend it? Do I take most of the exposure through options and then the rest in the stock so that my money can stretch further? Because you might not be able to spread your dollars as far just by buying the stock directly. It might be cheaper for investors to actually look at options as a way of getting exposure.
He also gave some options for other companies that are similar to NVIDIA, like AMD and Texas Instruments. Texas Instruments is known for making calculators, but it also makes chips for weapons and defense systems. Now remember, this is not intended as financial advice, so please consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. And that's the bottom line. So what do you think about NVIDIA's dominance? Let me know in the comments. Want to learn how to invest in companies like NVIDIA? Go to getmoneynews.com for more information. The link is in my bio or in the description. Let's get this money.
Let's get this money.